It was a celebration of life well spent as the remains of late Mrs. Caroline Nwankwo was laid to rest in her husband's compound at Nwankwo village, Enugwu Ukwu, in Chikoka local government area. Correspondent Chukwemeka Modeling reports that the final journey of the deceased commenced with a requiem mass at St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Enugwu Ukwu, where the parish sang requiem songs for the repose of her soul.
In a homily, Reverend Father Patrick Umezi reminded Christians that the world is full of battles, but they can make heaven by winning the battles that are against their faith. Speaking to journalists after the Requiem Mass, the first son of late Mrs. Nwankwo, Mr. Michael Nwankwo, said that her mother was an extraordinary woman who touched the lives of many individuals with her business after the Civil War and infused her incredible energy, passion, and intelligence into her children.
Michael, Anene Nwankwo, yes, the first son to Caroline Nwankwo. Thank you.
On his part, the fourth son of the deceased, Mr. Emma Nwankwo, described her mother, who lived for 89 years, as a blessing to humanity as she did manual works free of cost for many and raised all her children in the fear of God.
I remember her good work. I remember her for helping people. I remember her for giving out stuff, doing some manual work for free.
From Enugwu Ukwu, Chukwemeka Modeling, ABS News.